Hey, just finishing up the week here, December 13th, 2024. I cannot believe we're almost into 2025. We had some sticky inflation numbers, labor numbers this week, so we didn't end the week all that great on mortgage bonds or mortgage interest rates. Look, next week is a big week. We've got the Fed meeting on the 18th, Wednesday, where hopefully we'll get a cut in interest rates, the federal funds overnight rates. We've also got Q3 GDP coming out on Thursday and existing home sales. And then, of course, the big one on Friday, PCE, Personal Consumption Expenditures. I'm really hoping a week from now I can give you an update that we had a nice move in the market. Interest rates got better. We will see. Regardless, I've got some interesting information out of MBS Highway this morning. That's my source on all my mortgage-related information. Google them if you want to know what that information is. MBS Highway did a survey. We got about 150 economists weighing in. We think we're going to get about 4% home price appreciation in 2025, probably around 27, 28% over the next 5 years. So think about it. If you buy a $500,000 home right now, you're going to make about 20 grand on that next year. And then that's going to be about 138,000 or change over the next 5 years. So you want to get in. You want to get that amortization going as fast as you can. We can help you navigate rates. Those numbers are general over the broad United States. If you put your zip code in the comment section, I'll connect back with you with a customized appreciation report for your location. Thanks, as always, for checking out my content. DM me, ping me anytime, 720-419-3016. Love to help you any way that I can. Have a great weekend.